A very good morning to IT Patines. This is your computer class. Let us start our today's lecture with session 3, Self Management Skills of chapter 2. Okay, so self management we have read. Self management is very much essential for an individual. Actually, these self management skills they help the individual to be productive. Okay, productive in their personal as well as in professional lives. Find an individual is having two types of lives, means he is having his personal life also as well as his professional life also. So the productivity will be increased to a greater extent if we are following self management skills, means we are able to maintain a proper balance between the two. How we will be able to maintain a proper balance between the personal and the professional life if we are stress free? Okay, we are managing the things properly. Okay, if we are stress free and we are managing the things properly, we'll feel confident and we will be able to take better and effective decisions. Fine. So these self-management skills they help the individual in increasing or maintaining, creating an environment to attain their goals by optimum utilization of the available resources, whatever resources are nearby you, with the help of which the user will be able to maintain or achieve the goals easily. Okay, now the self management skills that will help you to attain your goals very easily. First one is your stress management, second is time management. Means if you manage your stress, if you manage your time, if you take proper decisions, if you organize your skills, and if you are physically fit, then definitely you will attain your goals very fast. So let us discuss these self management skills one by one. They are very important. They should be taken care of in your practical life also, and you should try to implement them wherever they are required. Okay, stress management. Okay, actually this is the ability of an individual to manage the difficult situations. Okay, means he has to maintain a physical and mental balance between the difficult situations. Okay, he has to keep focusing on his objectives, and he should not get distracted when the difficult situations come in his life. Okay, then only a proper balance between the personal and the professional life will be maintained. Fine. Next is time management. Actually, we people have many things around us that we are supposed to do in our daily lives. So we need to do proper planning and scheduling the time among the different tasks. Why we need to do this planning? Because we want to increase or maximize our productivity. Okay, so in order to maximize your productivity in less efforts, what you should do, you should focus on time management. The main objective of the time management is to get more work done in lesser period of time with no stress. Okay, individuals they must set their goals to attain in the specific period of time. Means if you will set your target according to the time and the priority of the various tasks, then surely you will be able to attain your targets very easily. Fine. Next is your decision making. Decision making is very much important, because when you have plenty of things around you that you have to do in a certain period of time, then how you can remain stress free? Just by taking the effective decision. and you can take the effective decision only if you have proper knowledge and the information to analyze the particular situation that is around you going on. Okay, so decision making capability makes an individual more confident. If you have this capability, you will feel confident and you will take your own decisions and you will not try to alter those decisions frequently. Okay, next skill is your organizing skill. Okay, this organizing skill basically helps you to plan, prioritize, motivate, keep motivating, and it also helps you to manage the time. So organizing skills are very helpful because it helps you to arrange the work, to provide you the resources in right order. Okay, so the activities of an individual that can take place in a defined and orderly manner. See, if you want to do a particular task that is a combination of several tasks in itself, then you need to arrange that task or the jobs in a particular fashion. Okay, and whatever resources you have with you, you need to manage with those resources in a best manner. Okay, next is organizing skills, continued in the organizing skills only. Actually, it is also an activity that changes with any change brought about in the objective of an individual. Means if an individual is changing its objective, then accordingly these skills will also be changed. Okay, because if you are doing certain modification in your program, then you need to plan accordingly, you need to bring changes in your plan accordingly. Okay, next is your physical awareness. Means one should be physically aware about its health, how to improve it, how to uh, do exercising, what type of exercising he should focus on. And these exercises will ultimately make the individual fit and more productive, and it will boost the power of the body and mind, and in result he will be having a good self confidence to face the challenges and the difficult situations that are coming in his life. His refers to the individual. Okay, so what skills we have read today: self management skills, stress management, time management, decision making, organizing skills, and physical awareness. Okay, so by all these skills, one will feel confident and will be able to attain his goals very easily in a short duration of time. Okay, next topic is your self confidence. It is very important tool. Okay, it can be defined as a belief in one's personal abilities, potential, and strength. If you have belief in yourself, then you will be able to take risks and challenges, and you will not hesitate to try new things, and you will think positively about your future. And if someone is positive about his future, then his objectives can be attained very easily, and he will keep on moving forward in his personal and professional lives. Thank you, beta. We will continue our next session in the next tutorial. Okay.